Yo. My YouTube stream disconnected. Oh, there we go. Okay. This storm right here over St. Maurice has some rotation to it. It's pretty strong. This one, these two. Been watching these two. This one had some rotation. It's kind of falling apart. Actually, let's zoom in. Yeah, it still has some rotation. Very broad rotation in both of these storms. So definitely going to keep a close eye on those storms, because all of these storms do have the possibility to produce a tornado. It's a chance. Will it happen? Really cannot say. But yeah. We are under a tornado watch for a few tornadoes possible in the area. Possible strong ones. If anything, I'm expecting probably see a tornado somewhere. It'll likely be weak. Main storms of concern. These ones are the ones that will likely impact our area. Let's see. Back to reflectivity. A little easier to say. A lot of these look like some pretty isolated cells. You can see this one is isolated. It might be undergoing a merger with this one. Right now it's going off to the north, so it could miss us over here. But it's close. If anything, these storms look like they're going to be the ones going this way, possibly impacting our area. We do have the ingredients for these storms to take advantage of and become tornadic. That's why we are watching them closely. Let's got some storms back here with some broad rotation. And storms all the way back here as well. Yeah, we're watching them. Turn on my weather radio. All right, there we go. So now we're in the clear of the storm we experienced a little earlier. It's kind of a precursor. This could still, I mean, there's a possibility we don't get hit by any more storms and they weaken out before they reach us. There's also the possibility that we get hit by more storms. It's practically impossible to tell, but just gonna have to wait and see. The models themselves do show us getting hit by more storms, multiple rounds. And it seems like it could definitely be true. Not doubting that at all. These storms are undergoing somewhat of a merger, so we'll see how it affects them, possibly affects their storm motion. This is the non-fun part about the weather, waiting. But that's just what we gotta do. I wouldn't be overly concerned about anything that's coming. This isn't it. We're under what's called a conditional threat. So we have the conditions, but I mean, it's possible that we don't get any tornado at all, for that matter. In fact, maybe not even a severe thunderstorm. It's a slight risk. Could happen, might not. That's what we're watching right now. New scan. There should be. So still just broad rotation with the storm. There's a little bit of a hook echo. It's not enough for the weather service to issue any kind of warning or anything. And if anything, looks like this storm's weakening a little bit. These ones behind it definitely still going strong. Oh. The rise looks pretty light right now. I mean, this is where all the storms are. It's kind of like a training situation. It's going to keep coming. -56 degrees outside. Pretty warm. Definitely want to watch this. I am watching a YouTube video in the background. Another guy's live streaming. I'm watching that, so sorry if you have to hear that. Got a new radar scan, so let's see what it has to give us. It's looking better. I mean, I like that shape. See how it kind of looks like a curved bean? It's what the storms look like when they're rotating. These storms are pretty much all rotating. It's how much they are. None of them are rotating a lot. I also see all these storms are kind of merging together into a line. And the southernmost storm in that system is going to be the one that's the most tornadic. That's this one, and it does look the most tornadic. Is it making a tornado? No. Will it? No way to tell. But it is the one with the highest probability of creating a tornado. Looking back on these ones over here. Isolated cell down here that's also rotating. And a little training situation back here with some more cells. And my cat is on my desk, blocking just about the entire desk. Pouncer, get down. Come on. Pouncer! Stop. She's eating something. I don't know what that is. Stop eating it, stupid. See. Could kind of see if it's changing direction looking at the pass scan. I think it is. Looks like it was originally going very sharp northwesterly track with these mergers kind of getting pushed a little bit more to the east, if that makes sense. Actually, another cell popping up within this one. The cell here. Another one pops up here. Another merger. A lot of mergers, a lot of storms popping up. I mean, if I had to guess, storms looks relatively weak, low level. Weak in the comparison to a severe thunderstorms. There's still definitely storms. It's not anything to be overly concerned about. That can change. It's not right now, which is good. These captures are getting hard. I mean, it's not it's low-key not looking that. The storms seem like it's coming together. So yeah, storm of interest, definitely this one right here. It's gonna be a bit. A lot of weather coming. Just issued another severe thunderstorm warning for this storm heading towards Xenia, if I'm not mistaken. It's popped up on my laptop, but it's not on my computer yet. Okay, yeah, there it is. Definitely a strong storm. This one's also strengthening. Probably expecting a special weather statement soon. The winds for that currently 10-mile-an-hour wind gusts outside. Nothing crazy. Whoa. It's a crazy looking new scan. a little crazy. Trying not to like look at the storm and make myself see a tornado because I like them. So trying to stay biased. It's hard. But these storms are definitely getting their act together, per se. I don't know why the severe thunderstorm warning's not popping up here. That is weird. He's not talking about our storm, if you can hear that. He's talking about a completely different storm. Yeah, so this is severe warned. It kind of shows the storms are entering a good environment, one could say. This one over Xenia is actually warned for its large hail, an inch or greater in diameter. Pretty crazy. Let's look at these. I mean, what it looks like is we're going to get this storm in the next hour. These storms, next 3 hours. Next 5. It's going to be a while till we get those storms. Yeah, I can see new cells keep popping along this line. Seeing them keep joining and streaming in. There's definitely a hail core with this one. Probably half-inch hail right now. Okay, I just issued a special weather statement for these storms. Don't know why it's popping up on my computer first. It's really annoying, but I could kind of draw it out. Its direction has it going north towards Kettering. So this way. Let's read the special weather statement. Wind gust 40, penny-sized hail. New radar scan. see what it shows us. It's kind of turned into a mess. Tornado potential's definitely going down with this line of storms. Definitely some hail coming to New Miami and Trenton. Yeah, look at that. Good hail. It's a hailstorm. If storms keep forming, as we've seen along this line, might have to extend this special weather statement, possibly a severe thunderstorm warning, if it keeps strengthening down south even more. Because we keep seeing new cells forming, kind of streaming into the line. You can see all the separate cells. You have this one, this one. You know what, I'm going to group those together. You can see this one is a separate cell. This one is a separate cell. So these are all separate, but they're what's called embedded. My Pouncer. Oh, and it's taking away my data. There we go. Just waiting. So much fun. Currently, no tornado warnings anywhere. It's only 2 severe thunderstorm warnings, one in Xenia, Ohio, and one in Indiana. Interesting. How long do I think this storm is gonna last for? So I'm assuming we're all situated somewhere in Warren County. We probably have the storm's actually moving pretty slowly. If it does impact us, which I think we might get a little bit of rain with it, this storm should be gone the next hour and a half around, maybe an hour. But then after that, overnight, we're gonna have to. We might see some intermittent storms. Timing of that can be very ambiguous. Actually, I can look at the models right now. Give me 1 second. So it looks like we'll see. It really just, most like I say, is isolated storms until 4 a.m. in the morning. Is probably what I could, the best kind of bet I could give you. There's definitely some hail coming together with the storm. This one over here is blowing up. That thing's getting its act together. Could possibly see a severe thunderstorm warning issued with this soon if it continues on this upward progression. Sorry. I want to be very surprised. See lightning out my window. Lucky enough to have an eastward facing window. So I'm looking directly in the face of this storm. It's looking pretty good. Probably one of the strongest parts of this line. See its path has it taken a little bit more south than the special weather statement. Here's a radar update. Yeah, it honestly looks like it's kind of moving almost directly east. Let's take a look at this one back here over Batesville. It's a nice storm. Chill. 40-mile-an-hour winds. It's splitting. Kind of looks like it came together, and this one's kind of changing its direction. Okay, Pouncer, you gotta get off my lap, bruh. Making me allergic. It's my cat. This one looks nice over here. Oh, very pretty. Look at this clouds through that flash of lightning. It's cool. I'm definitely a nerd. Storm still moving towards us, nice and slow. If anything, areas north of Kings Island might be impacted by the storm, possibly even further north than that. Might just get clipped if you're near Kings Island or even north of Kings Island. Lebanon's definitely your shoe-in. If you're in Lebanon, you're definitely going to get affected by the storm, so some strong winds and some rain. Maybe some small hail. Looks like all these storms coming through are going to be just below severe limits. That was a weird sound. Yeah, it looks like these storms kind of like splitting apart. It's doing something weird. There we go. Had some kind of glitch. It's weird. Let's see. Should be in Lebanon in the next 9 minutes. Orgonia in the next 18 minutes. It's kind of split apart. It's weird. Kind of separating. Kind of congealed into a line. Separating themselves now. You can see there's a little bit of rotation over Monroe. Very, very small rotation. Not expecting that to do anything, but it is there. Some hail, possibly heading into Lebanon in the next 10 minutes. So you can see that rotation over Monroe's already gone. It's a new update. Look at this storm back here. Broad rotation, just some hail. It's a normal storm. Actually looks like northern parts of Mason, yes. But it looks like the majority is gonna get missed. Special weather statement was just extended for this storm. If there's anyone that I'm expecting to impact our area, it's gonna be this one. Just barely got missed by these storms. Still gonna watch them though. New special weather statement just issued along this line of storms. Includes our area. This is for 45-mile-an-hour winds, quarter-inch sized hail. Very heavy rain moving east, 35 miles an hour. I don't know why the warning polygons are popping up so late on this one. There's still two more. I'll draw them out so you know. There is one here. Special weather statement. It's an extension of this storm. And there's another one here. Extension of this storm. So I'll leave those there until it gives it. Okay, I just realized the red makes it look like a tornado warning, and it is not. So I'm going to change that color, because that... I can see how that would be confusing. That's much better. A little bit of hail coming into Lebanon. Very heavy rain, especially. Yeah, if I had to make any assumption and guess on these storms, I think we definitely looked out. Right now, looks like they're all pretty weak. Below severe limits. Right now, not expecting any tornadoes. Still gotta watch this storm. I mean, there's a good chance it doesn't do anything. Still a chance it does do something, though. So after this one passes, I might end the live stream for a little bit and wait till this one approaches, if it's even worth live streaming. If I was storm chasing this, I'd probably be over here. New special weather statement that I already know is not going to be put on here for some reason. It's just for these storms. It's my best attempt to draw it. Okay, look at that. There is a tornado warning, not for our, just north of our area. Don't know why it's not popping up. Yep, right here. This is for areas around Centerville, Kendricksville, Ridgeville, Waynesville, heading towards New Burlington. This rotation coming together. We'll likely see, since this is in Warren County, likely see the tornado sirens begin to go off very soon. I'm actually going to open my windows so I can hear that. Probably hear those soon. I want to be very clear. It's not for Lebanon or Mason. Still be on the lookout. This tornado warning is for Centerville and Harveysburg and areas in between that for an area of rotation just south of Centerville. Radar indicated rotation, so this is not a confirmed tornado. But there is enough confidence in this little bit of rotation. See right here, blue's next to the red. This tightens up, could possibly produce one. So do not be surprised if we start to hear those sirens in Warren County. Jeez, it's really making me draw them all out, isn't it? This is the tornado warning. So if you are in this red area, go ahead and take shelter. Lowest floor of your building, most interior room if you do not have a basement. It's for Kendricksville, Centerville, Bellbrook, Spring Valley, New Burlington, and Harveysburg. Even if you're not in this area of rotation, you should still be very careful and get into shelter. Very broad rotation, but that could tighten up at any moment. So be on the lookout. If this doesn't show you how quickly things change, I don't know what will. But we were just talking about how these storms don't look that crazy at all. And bam, something comes together just right. It's the beauty of the weather. Again, if you're anywhere north of Lebanon, I would take shelter. And there is a new tornado warning. Look at that. These storms are starting to find something coming together. This is for areas just south of Xenia for this area of rotation over New Burlington. I will draw that one down as well. This is for this area right here. So if you're anywhere in there getting shelter, I mean, I have two people watching, so I'm assuming the other person watching is not in that area. But hey, can never be too safe. All these areas of rotation look pretty broad. I mean, little area here, little area here. Just gonna Next one we're watching, this one back here, has broad rotation with it as well. So at any moment, any of these storms tap into that hidden energy and start rotating. Wait, forgot I have sounds.
Okay, so we good?
You see the tornado warning?
Warren County?
Yes, we're good.
They didn't say our cities, but they said Warren County.
Now it's north of us.
Alright, that's what it sounded like. Like Dublin.
It's a little. It's north of Lebanon. Is where the warning starts. You can see it's right here.
Along 75, it sounds like.
So here we're right here. This is it. There's another one right here. I'm watching this storm because this is gonna hit us. It does have some broad rotation, but again, it could possibly not do anything at all. But it's gonna hit us. I'm watching it, so we'll be fine.
What do you think, Pounce? You nervous?
Okay, wait. I have sounds. I want to try this out. Peak. Which one do I want? That'll be the severe thunderstorm one. This will be tornado. That'll be special weather statement. Because why not? Just makes it a little more fun for me. Look at this new update, see if it looks tornadic. I mean, I highly doubt it's going to be tornadic based off of what I'm seeing. Over here, doesn't look crazy. This one still has broad rotation over nice nut road. But still, if you're in any of these red polygons, take shelter. Do not want to risk it. Better be safe than sorry. Can feel cold air through the window. It's the outflow from the storm. Air from high up in the atmosphere that's colder. It's pulled down, hits the ground, pushed out. That's what we're feeling. So new storms could initiate along that line. I'm wondering how that's going to affect this one. Storm right there. Zoom in on this one. Still no crazy apparent areas of rotation. To me, this is definitely more of a precautionary warning. This one over here, still have broad rotation entering into Centerville and Bellbrook, but also likely no tornado. Still gotta definitely stay in shelter though. This little appendage coming down looks like it could possibly be a sign of re-intensification. Looks like they're back in a conjuncture line. They separated for a minute, came back together. I'm going to begin shifting my focus on this one over here, because it does have broad rotation in the upper levels of the atmosphere, so it is rotating. Does that mean it's going to produce a tornado? Absolutely not. To be completely honest, these storms don't look like they're producing a tornado at all. Still take shelter though. New flash flood warning for this area with training thunderstorms. Please tell me I can erase. I don't think I can. Well, that sucks because I have to delete them all. Oh well, who cares? Yeah, it's not getting them at all. That is so weird. You know what? We're just gonna switch windows because for some reason this one is and the other one isn't. So. See these tornado warnings now. I highly doubt they're going to extend these tornado warnings at all. They don't look tornadic at all to me. We just shift our attention to all these storms. So these storms are moving past, and this one's still got a bit to go. Don't know what the timing is of that, but still got a while. I'm going to go ahead and end this live stream. Can always make a new one if need be. So thanks for watching. See ya.